1, number 1 through 4.
I turned that in.
When?
Yesterday.
Okay.
Or last class. Yeah, yesterday.
It was due Monday.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was. But you weren't in class
Well,
Monday.
Alright, so now what we're going to explain is kids who are trying to find the average lap time. So here are all these flipping numbers, right? It's a pain in the butt to write all those. So, what it says is to write, I think it's another histogram frequency table. So, pretty much do the same thing as the last problem. 40 to less than 50, blah, blah, blah. How many times it happens. And the relative frequency is how many numbers there is. So there's 30 numbers total. Then you divide that by the frequency. So 1 out of 30 equals 0.33. You can just cross out the 3. I forgot the reasoning, but you can just do that since it's by going by the tenths. So, and then 3 out of 30, 4 out of 30, basically get the point, get all your percentages. There you go. Now you have to do this bar graph. What you're going to do is put the points
with your hand.
Put the points on this side, and then you're going to put the lap times on the bottom. So you're going to do that graph, and it comes out to a unimodal symmetric, just like the last problem, which is very common. Now the mean, same thing as the last problem. Put in all these numbers into L1. Can you see?
Yeah, kind of. Here.
Cool. Put all those numbers in there, and you get the same thing. You get your mean, adding all together and dividing by 2, you get 76.1. Median is 75.5. Standard deviation 13.8. The shape, like I just said, unimodal symmetric. The center is your mean. Reason why is because that's the answer. The spread is 13.8, which is your standard deviation. Now, do you remember what the IJ thing is? I know this is your mean.
I remember this now.
Pretty much the minus 1J is your mean.
It's the spread.
Yeah, okay, it's the spread.
I have this right here. Hey.
So it's going to be 76.
So what it is, here's my paper. 76.1 minus 13.8. 13.8 was the standard deviation. We're just trying to find an average spread. This one's going to be 76.1 minus 13.8. And this is going to be 76.1 plus 13.8. We got those two together, and basically what we want to do, we're going to divide it. Divide it by each other. Simple it down to 20.
So you're divide it by each other. I'll get the rest. So we got 62.3 and 89.9. So now what we have to do for E is find out the average of the kids that are between those two numbers, and it was 20 kids out of 30, which you divide that and you get 0.667 equals 67% because you round the 7 to the 6, round to the hundreds. Do the same thing for F, but it's with a 2. You get 48.5 and 103.7 to find the kids who ran the best. It's 29 out of 30, only one kid, probably the fat chubby kid who was thinking about lunch the whole time. 0.966 equals 97% of the kids who succeeded. The other kid was dying because he wanted a cheeseburger and chili cheese fries.
That's so mean.
AKA me in English class. So.
You were fat in English class?
No, I'm just always hungry because it's third period.
Oh.
So, it's approximately symmetric and normal. Percentages are too close to, we're not right? To expected. So, that is how you do these histograms. And now, we're going to see this fool, how good of a runner he is, because I see all his medals, and I think he got him a Goodwill. So let's check it.
Look at these babies. Look at these babies. 3rd place. 28th place out of like 300 kids. 3rd place. 2nd place. 3rd place again at like a 446 mile. Whoop, whoop. Let's go, baby.
Go.
Here we go. Alright, 500 meter race. Let's see where I'm in the percentage.
Alrighty, when I say go, I'm gonna start, okay? On your mark, get set, go! It's cold like a mofo out here. Flip-flops, swim trunks, and a t-shirt, no bueno. Guess we got some soccer going on out here. 25 seconds so far. Already more than halfway there. See if you can see him. There he is right there. Coming around the corner. With 44 seconds. Here he comes. "55 seconds.
Keep going, don't stop, Hammer.
I'm not. You got a minute so far. That was pretty good. See, he usually does the running and I usually do the eating. You know, I'm usually hitting the buffets, and he is done. He has a minute and 21 seconds and 78 milliseconds. And that is our unit video. Cole, you want to say something? I'll zoom in on you. A minute and 21 seconds. And that is the walk of shame. But hey, practice makes perfect. Huh? You got close. You want to say something?
2 seconds. That's like way out of range. Jeez, don't stop recording.
Hurry up, because I got to bounce, dog.
Not so bad. I haven't ran in 2 weeks. Okay, so 82. I'm at 0.15%. Woo!
Alrighty. Have a good night. See you manana for that test.
Adios.
Let's get it.
Alright. So for a life lesson, God, junior year went by so fast, and it was so funny because I remember saying to myself in the beginning of the year, I'm like, man, I feel weird. I'm an upperclassman. I feel like I don't deserve to be a junior. Earl felt the same too. Unfortunately, he had to leave really early. His dad needed him home. But that's just him taking care of responsibilities, and it just shows how much he's learned. So almost becoming adult, taking care of responsibilities, getting homework done with your friends, going home for your family is the one you loved. I've learned a few things like that too. I've also learned to take risks, but only for good causes. I've learned to put myself there on the spot in front of people when I'm like posting my YouTube videos. I've learned over cross country and track. Cross country, like I've never done cross country before. I've done track though. And cross country was a totally different thing. Running races that I've never ran before in my life, and actually going out there and risking it all just to be good, just to look like the best, and still strive to be the best. That's what I'm trying to take care of. It's just another, and I just want to put that to everything I work for. Everyone should try to shoot for to be the best. I've learned a lot throughout every single life lesson in your class, Mr. Sue, so has Earl. We've all learned how to respect other people, how to live life within a diversity, many other beautiful things that'll help us in our future. I want to say thank you, Mr. Suhu, on behalf of me and Earl, and the rest of Algebra 2, your CR classes. You taught us a lot, and we all really appreciate it. So there we go. There's Unit 11, our last video. Oh, but hey, at least we got the shorts back. See you next time.